Video 131. We can cycle through the different circumscribe modes of the camera. However, the code is a little bit broken. Let's go over the deltas. Air checking. Constants for the circumscribe modes as shorthand variables. Human readable names for the different circumscribe modes. A cycling table for the circumscribe modes to get the next circumscribe mode. Logging the circumscribed mode with the number and the human readable name. The place where we're having trouble, and we need to figure out what's going on. We haven't figured out the problem yet. In SexyCam PadNum, we are supporting the 0 key now, and we're getting the next circumscribe mode and setting the dirty flag so we can see the difference. In KeyMask PadNumber, we need to call SexyCam PadNum, but we need to support the 0 key, so we can't put it within this guard. We've added this as a little band-aid, the did a thing. If did a thing gets incremented twice, it means we called both the low-level and high-level code, and if that happens, we will throw an error. Just a little bit of extra logging, because we're trying to figure out what's going on. What we did previously, footnotes, what we did in this video, and what we're going to do next. You have been on this playlist. You can go here for more information. You can get the source code down here and email me there. Video 131.